Hey, we're taking our big road schoolhouse.
We are at our camping place and we have a lot of horses.
Today we are at Diamond Oaks Farm in Ocala, Florida. This working horse farm offers 4 full hookup camper pads and a variety of hands-on experiences with the horses for the whole family. We are visiting it with another homeschool family.
We're gonna ride a horse.
Miss Jen cares for and trains these horses. In fact, she's been working with horses since she's been a little girl, so she's a great person to learn from.
I just close my fingers like this, not a tight fist, just relax, and I hold my hand out and let him sniff me. If he knows you're there, you can walk behind him. You never want to sneak up behind a horse. Like if I sneak up to him like this, he's gonna think I'm a predator. This would get you kicked, okay, doing that.
This is Magic. He's 15 years old and he's a miniature horse. Today we get to learn all about how to get him ready to ride. Miss Jen puts him in the cross ties so we can groom him. Magic is really soft and nice. And he's the perfect size for us.
Being around horses is not clean. Horses are dirty. They roll in the dirt, and the dirt actually protects them from bugs and the sun. So, I mean, and as you notice right now, he has his winter coat. See how fluffy he is? He's very fluffy. So they grow their winter coats when the days start getting shorter and the nights get longer. Now you're gonna take your little dandy brush, and brush it. You wanna go with the coat? Yep, there you go. Look at that.
Keep leaning in.
Oh, and look at this shine. Look at, he's starting to get shiny. Now the forelock, I'm really careful to groom his forelock. That's what this hair is. So this is his forelock and this is his mane. And you can see he's got a lot of hair. So the forelock, we're very careful, and the mane and the tail, that we don't pull the hair out. Because the more hair you pull out, the shorter it gets. And of course with these cute little mini horses, that's kind of what makes them so cute, is all that hair, right? I think he looks pretty good. I'm gonna show you how we take care of his feet now. The material the hooves are made of are just like fingernails, okay? So the horse's feet have to be trimmed regularly. Take my hoof pick, leverage, so I'm pointing the hook down. There. See, there's his frog, there's his heel bulbs, the sole of the foot, and his hoof wall. So he has really healthy feet. That's a good looking foot. Have you guys seen a horseshoe before? Hang on to that. There you go. Here, pass that around.
Now it's time to put on the saddle. It's pretty heavy, but not for Magic because he's 300 pounds. The saddle blanket goes on first to protect his back.
So now I'm going to take the saddle and lift it up, set it on his back. Today we're riding in a Western saddle, which came from the vaquero style of horsemanship. So the vaquero is from Spain.
I get to ride magic first, and I'm super excited. First I get on him like a real cowgirl. Miss Jen leads me around the corral so I can get used to riding a horse. Then she lets me ride all by myself. Okay, so if you want to go this way, you pull the rein this way. If you want to go this way, you want to pull the rein this way. Next it's my turn.
If you pull, you're going to stop him. So look up, push your hands forward. You sit up, there, good, look up, there. So if you want him to go, keep your hands out here. If you want him to stop, you pull back.
First, Miss Jen leads me around so I can feel what it's like to ride magic. He's a really good horse and he really likes praise. Then it's time to try trotting. It was really bumpy, but I didn't fall off. I must have done pretty well because she let me ride magic all by myself. We had such a great time.
Not only do the kids get a ride, we get a ride too.
Just like at home, shout out, just like at home. Just, yeah, just like on the couch.
Riding at Diamond Oaks Farm was more than just a trail ride. It was an educational experience with hands-on training, personal stories, and riding lessons that met us at our own skill level. The acreage here is serene and beautiful, and it offers space to stretch in such a congested and busy culture. Yet there is life here, living, breathing energy that can captivate and enthrall those of all ages. It reminds us that nature is beautiful, and all that God created should be treated with honor and respect. These are lessons that our children desperately need to learn.
Did you know that Ocala is the home to the World Equestrian Center? We decided to stop by and check out their Christmas lights display. it's time to wind down by the campfire.
We really enjoyed our stay at Diamond Oaks Farm. If you're looking for a customized, hands-on equestrian adventure that's family-friendly, this is your place. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe.